Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephen and I am working as a clinical perfusionist since last 13 years. Today I am going to share with you different sizes of connectors in details, and also there is important data to start new cardiac setup. Basically, connectors are designed to allow the connection of tubings and parts of cardiopulmonary bypass. The meaning of lever lock connector is one extra port will be there to the connector to attach the purge line, and in without lever lock connector this extra port is absent. First I will start with Y connector without lever lock. Now I am going to explain you the different sizes of Y connector. First is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 3/8, 3/8, 1/4, 3/16, 3/16, 3/8, 1/4, 1/4, 3/8, 3/8, 1/4, 3/8, 3/8, 3/8, 3/16, 3/16, 3/16, half, 1/4, 1/4, half, 3/8, 1/4, half, half, 1/4, 3/8, 3/8, 3/8, 3/16, 3/16, 3/16, half, 1/4, 1/4, half, 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 3/8, half, 3/8, 3/8. These are the connectors without lever lock. Now I will go towards Y connector with lever lock. The details of Y connectors without lever lock and sizes. First is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Second is 3/8, 1/4, 1/4. 3/8, 1/4, 3/8. 3/16, 3/16, 3/16. 1/4, 3/16, 3/16. Half, 3/8, 1/4. These are the Y connectors with lever lock. Now I will go towards straight connector without lever lock. First is 1/4, 1/4. Second 1/4, 3/16. Third is 3/8, 1/4. Then 1/4, 3/16. Half, 3/8. These are the straight connector without lever lock. Now I will go towards straight connector with lever lock. First is 1/4, 1/4. Second is 3/8, 3/8. Then 3/16, 3/16. Then half, half. Then half, 1/4. Then 3/8, 1/4. And last 1/4, 3/16. These are the total different sizes of connectors. I hope this information will help you in your perfusion practice. Please stay connected with me for more video related perfusion. Thanks for watching.